Hey, hello, and welcome back. I'm Laura, and I want to talk to you today about a new feature Canva have added that not many people have actually spotted. Now, this is gonna be a game changer for those who use Instagram. This is an Instagram based feature, and I think it's going to be a bit of game changer. It involves carousels. So I'm not going to give too much more away because I'm going to dive straight over to my screen and I'm going to show you exactly what this feature is. And you're probably going to go, wow, that's awesome. I'm going to use it. And I would love to see what you actually do with this feature in Canva. Okay, so I have got 5 graphics that I've created. I've done this before recording this video just to save time, so you don't have to sit there watching me creating my graphics. They're Did You Know graphics, tips on using Canva for small businesses. Now, I can use these as individuals, but I actually think they would look good as a carousel in Instagram. Now, beforehand, I would have to download them and then re-upload them to Instagram, add all the information in and do it all on the platform. But you don't have to anymore. Canva has integrated it into Canva. It's amazing. I'll show you how. So I've got my 5 posts. They're just normal posts with information on. Head over to the share option, and there's one here called Instagram. So we can connect it to Instagram. I'm going to click on Instagram and just move me out the way so you can see the full panel on the side here. It gives me a preview of what the design will look like. Now, at the moment, it's just the first page, so I need to change the format at the top. Now, I have feed post, which is just my image, carousel, reel, and story. I can now post one design from Canva in 4 different ways direct to Instagram. See, this is going to be a game changer for Instagram users. I'm going to go with carousel. I want to create this as a carousel post. So I've selected carousel. It will update my preview over here, but at the moment I need to choose which pages go in which order. I can add images and I can add in video. Now I want to add 5 images. So I've got 5 pages because I have 5 graphics in my design. Now I can choose page 1, page 2, page 3, page 4, and page 5. You don't have to have them in that order. You can have them in whichever order you want. You can duplicate them if you want, but Canva have given you the option to be able to put them into order in the way that you want them. I can add a video as well if I want to, and now I can add my caption. Today we have 5 top top let's top Canva tips for you. And then I can add in some hashtags, ambassador, hashtag Canva, top tip. You can add in your hashtags there as well. And then it tells me you are logged in as Biz Design Academy, which is my Instagram account. So I can also log out here. And once I have done this, chosen my carousel post, all my pages, let me put capital in there. Today we have 5 top Canva tips for you. I'll leave it as that. I can always edit it later. Canva Canvassador and Canva top tips. So we've got our hashtags in, and then I can just hit this button here and it's publishing my design to my Instagram account. There we go. It's now telling me your design has been published. Let's click check out your post and see what it's done. Here we go. This is my Instagram account. Yep, definitely my Instagram. There's my posts. And I've now got my 5 designs on here. I'm going to have a look on my phone as well. Yep. Where's the camera? We can see I've got my Instagram. Terrible video there, but you can see it's on there. So it does it automatically for you, and you can build your own carousels on Canva. I love that. I think that's absolutely fantastic. I'm definitely going to be using that because I don't post often to Instagram, but being able to build my designs in Canva and post direct to Instagram without having to come off the platform, I think is absolutely fantastic. And like I said at the beginning, an absolute game changer for Instagram users. So that's it from me today. I'm Laura. I'm a certified Canva community trainer and a Canva creator, and I absolutely love bringing Canva videos to you, especially for business owners. So please do come and follow and connect with my channel, as we have got loads more features coming up.